Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin holder, this time absolutely I have very important news for all my viewers, my subscriber, and definitely Dogecoin holders are very shocked if they are listen what I tell my friend. And today now, my friend, in those days every cryptocurrency were very badly falls down. So therefore, if I have a bad news, then I am really sorry, my friend, and please remember to, this is not a financial video. I just advise you kindly research personally. My brothers, please, before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. And those days, my friend, as you can see here, in last 7 days minus 2.51%, the price is decreased now. And you can see here the price, highest price is 0.25 USD dollar, but my friends, the price were fails down to, as you can see here, the current price is 0.2 USD dollar, 2.3 0.23 USD dollar. So that's mean, my friends, today are lost 0.02% 2 USD dollar. And definitely the main reason of this loss is absolutely short-term investors, they are starting selling, and those days every holder are starting selling. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to please don't worry. I hope in upcoming days they will give you a profit, they will recover all the loss. So let's see, viewers, my subscriber, to what they do. But please, if you also want to get earn money, my friend, in a crypto, you will need, my friends, to follow my advice. Definitely what I tell you, everything is going to be very important for all of you. In those days, my friend, every cryptocurrency sometimes take a very huge jump, but sometimes they were fails down. So therefore I will notify you to please don't starting selling in those days, otherwise you will completely lose and you cannot get a profit. So please, if you want to get a profit now, invest and don't starting selling. Thanks for watching Dogecoin holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.